Hi everyone, welcome to my math channel. Today we are going to talk about function. What is a function? What is a function? A function is a relationship where each input has exactly one output. Okay, input, output, is relationship. Function is a relationship. Okay. A function is a rule that gives only one output for each input. We usually write function as f of x, g of x, or h of x. Sorry. It means function f of x, This means function f with input x. Okay. For example, f of x 3x minus 4 means multiply the input by 3 and subtract 4. Okay. For example, if you input 2 into the function, for example, f of x plus 3, if you input 2 into the function, the output will be 5. Okay, f of x, f of 2 is equals to 5. Okay. The domain is the set of all possible input values. The domain x values. The domain is the set of all possible input values. The range y values. The range is the set of all possible output values. Input, output. Okay. Let's take this function. Function f of x x square. Okay. Function name x input x square output. Okay. An input of 4 becomes an output of 60. Okay, f of 4 equals to 60. Okay. In fact, we can write f of 4 equals 60. Okay. Is it a function? A relation is a function if every x values has only one values. For example, uh, 1 brackets 2, 2 brackets 3, 3 brackets 4. Okay. A relation is a function if every x values has only one y values. For example, this is a function. This is a function, but 1 2 brackets 1 5 brackets. This is not function. This is not function. Why? Because the same input has two different outputs. One input, output 2, output 5, two different outputs. This is not a function. Okay. Function is, for example, A2 domain range input output. Okay. A2 B A1 B2 C3. Okay. 1 to 1 to 1. Okay. 1 to 1 function. Okay. Two example, A1 B1 C3 money to 1. Okay. Function. Three example, A1 A3 no. Okay. 1 to money, 1 to money, non-function. Okay. A to A3 because the same input has two different outputs. Okay. For example, A1 B A1. Okay. B2 B3 no. C1 C3 no. Okay. Money to money, a non-function. Okay. Non-function. Okay. Non-function. Let's go. What is the vertical? Okay. Sorry. 1 to money is not allowed. Okay. But money to 1 is allowed. Okay. Okay. What is the vertical line test? Sorry. Yes. What is the vertical line test? It is a way to check if a graph is a function. Okay? It is a way to check if a graph is a function. Draw a vertical line on the graph. If it touches the graph only once, it is a function. And if it touches the graph more than once, it is not a function. Okay? For example, let's look at an example. Okay? This is a straight line. X, Y. This is a straight line. Any vertical line will touch it only once. Okay? A straight line touches once. It is a function. Okay, it's a function. So, it is a function. Now, look at this a circle. Okay. Circle. A vertical line crosses it twice in some places. Circle. Okay. Touches twice. It is not a function. It's not a function. Okay. So this is not a function. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.